of goodies came for Fiona the Fiat. Check out all the stuff we got. Digging into Fiona. We're gonna tear apart her rear suspension. Get the housing, everything out, because we got Wick went shopping, as everybody saw. So we're gonna take care of all that. Get all these suspension components out. Start cleaning and rebushing everything. Coming along. I wonder if that bushing was still good. Huh. Wow. This one's right there with it. Turn on the lights. All right. Rear end housing out. Next step, pull out the leaf springs, pull out the sway bar, pull out the shocks, and then away we go to the front end. Wick's been playing with the new blaster. Nice! So before and after. Looks good, Wick! All of our rear suspension has been disassembled and removed. I do need to remove brake fitting here, pull this line off, which we have. Then we can measure up for our new lines that we're gonna make. Getting things done, boys and girls. Right, Wick's been a bead blasting machine with his new blast cabinet. Somebody painting all this stuff with our favorite Eastwood Extreme Chassis Black. Ready to rock. Looking good. Alright, tearing down the front suspension now. Gonna get this all apart. The leaf springs and all that stuff from the rear. I'm actually gonna take with me this weekend and do it over the weekend. We're gonna get this front suspension apart so we can start cleaning and bead blasting. I don't know if you can hear it. Wick's outside blasting the differential housing. And on those crates over there is all that painted stuff we did earlier. All right, gonna undo the top shock hardware. Undo bushings here on the sides, get that all handled. Just getting apart everything I can so we can clean and detail and prep. And then gotta get all the suspension stuff done before the motor comes back from Brian, but we just dropped that off and we're probably 5-6 weeks out. I mean, he's got 3 other customer motors of mine alone in front of Fiona's motor, not to mention everybody else. And well, needless to say, we give him a lot of work. A little before and after. Fiona front spindles. This is the right front that I just pulled off. This is the left front I pulled off about 40 minutes ago that Wick masked and degreased and blasted and polished. That baby's ready for paint, but look at that, that's pretty.
Yeah, looks great.
Good job, Wicky. Fiona coming apart. A lot of left front apart. Gonna get that master cylinder out in a little bit too. Almost done getting the right front apart as well. I'm gonna pull the shock out. Then we're gonna work on the master cylinder. And the brake backing plates are gonna come off. Then we get to figure out how we're gonna take these off. I know I gotta bring the spring compressor, get this spring out. Progress, progress. Lots getting done. Trying to make Fiona nicer. Damn, Wick, we tore that thing apart.
Yeah.
So So my next tasks are going to be doing a little press work. That'd be cool.